What's a pond without the beautiful sound of a waterfall? Give your pond the aeration it craves and make your backyard dream a reality with TotalPond. First, you'll want to measure out the distance and height of where you would like the waterfall to be relative to the edge of your pond. Then, carefully position the spillway so the weir hangs over the water. When you are happy with the location of the waterfall, attach one end of the tubing to the adapter on the spillway. Be sure to trim the tubing to the desired length based on the pump's placement in the pond. Too much tubing can result in a lower flow. After cutting the tubing to the length needed, connect the other end of the tubing to the pump. Once the tubing is securely connected, place the pump in the pond. To complete the look, stack the rocks and stones around and on the spillway as a natural disguise. And finally, it's time to sit back and enjoy your new creation.